mountaintops, rivers and streams. Plucking sunlight from the sky in my pocket. Give it to you later on in the form of a locket.
Hello guys, Katrina Kisil here from Vanlife, Philippines. So right after the New Year, I went on a trip up north in Negros. We went to this enchanted river in Gihongan called Kansalakan, and we had a side trip to the chocolate hills of Negros called Hinakpan Hills. Then went back to Old House Resort in La Libertad to spend the night. Now here's how our morning goes. Good morning. Stayed here again for the night. And I want to see if I could catch the sunrise. Let's catch some sunrise. That's Cebu Island on the other side. There's no sunrise in this area. Time to make breakfast. They're still sleeping. I had the bed transferred to, I have the bed moved to the room so I can use it. So, I'm just gonna make some pancakes for breakfast. This pancake was 35 pesos only. And it already has this and some chocolate syrup inside. This chocolate syrup. But I'm gonna add eggs to it. Queen here is awake. How's your sleep? Dada? Huh? Dada? So low tide, so they probably can't swim again today. They tried yesterday, but it's still low tide, and we have to go. So I have to go in the morning. Now we have to go early to go back to the cities. Guess no swim for now. I'm going to make some coffee beans. Breakfast now, guys. Oh. Sana? Mata na lagi ka. So, wait, oh. It may be just, Mata ka? Sige, the 2 pancakes for you and ako ng kape lang na ako I'm just gonna have coffee, guys, and they're gonna have the pancakes. It's quite a small space down here, but up here, but there's a nice view of the beach. And that for 350 only. Okay, so if you're going south and you need a place to stay for the night, just drop by here. There. If you're gonna go north, if you're gonna go north, just drop by north of Negros, of course. Just drop by this place. If you need a place to stay for the night, just drop by this place. What are you getting?
It's white. Bubbles.
What did you say? What's that?
I don't know.
House, guys, that house, that old house is actually from 1920. Yeah, it's a century old na good. Very nice. They said it's not as sturdy as before when it was hit by when this place was hit by the earthquake. So I mean, when there was an earthquake here before from years ago. So, but I mean, I would love to see it, but they use it as a stack room, just a stack room. They also have some instruments because they do have live bands here, but not anymore. But I asked the owner if we can camp here. I guess we can. We can just bring our tents and then probably pay an entrance fee. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Bye.